will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message and you just click on it. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You come here to send message to group us, clicking this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That's means send message to group us disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.